Did you know that enjoying smoothies regularly can do more than just satisfy your taste buds? According to nutritional research, blending fruits and vegetables into a creamy drink can actually enhance your body's absorption of vital nutrients, ensuring you get the best out of every bite, or in this case, every sip. But let's be honest. Have you ever found yourself stuck in a smoothie rut, sticking to the same strawberry banana or mixed berry recipes day after day? Or perhaps you've encountered those surprising flavor fusions, a twist of basil with your berries, or a dash of spicy ginger in your mango blend, and wondered if you're missing out on something extraordinary. Today, let's dive into the world of invigorating flavors and smoothies and discover how these unique combinations can elevate a humble drink into an energizing ritual. Smoothies are the canvas, and invigorating ingredients are the colors and textures that transform them into nutritional masterpieces. Whether you're a smoothie newbie or a seasoned blender pro, there's always room to shake up your routine and indulge in new, revitalizing experiences. Many people make smoothies with good intentions, hoping for a quick, healthy fix during busy mornings or as a satisfying afternoon snack. But after the initial excitement, it's all too easy to fall back on safe, familiar flavors. The result? Smoothie monotony. You start with enthusiasm, but after your third week of spinach, banana, and almond milk, your taste buds crave something more exciting, more enlivening. The good news? Breaking free from this flavor autopilot is easier than you think, and it can completely transform the way you experience your daily smoothie. One of the secrets to avoiding monotony is to discover and experiment with invigorating flavor pairings. These combinations not only wake up your palate, but also pack a nutritional punch. Let's explore a few unexpected ingredients and how they can supercharge a creamy smoothie. First, think about herbs. Fresh mint, basil, cilantro, and parsley aren't just for savory dishes. A handful of fragrant mint blended with pineapple and coconut yogurt creates a tropical mojito effect, freshening up each sip and complementing the natural sweetness of the fruit. Or, try fresh basil in your next strawberry or peach smoothie. The grassy, slightly peppery notes of basil pair beautifully with the juiciness of the fruit and add a sophisticated twist that's both surprising and delightful. Spices, too, hold immense potential to invigorate. Grated fresh ginger can turn a simple mango smoothie into a zesty pick-me-up, kicking up heat and depth. Turmeric, with its earthy and subtle bitterness, works wonders with creamy mango or pineapple, while adding its renowned anti-inflammatory benefits. And don't forget about cinnamon or cardamom. Both lend warmth and complexity to smoothies, especially when paired with creamy bases like almond milk, Greek yogurt, or blended oats. For those who love a touch of the exotic, exploring unconventional fruits is a wonderful way to keep things exciting. Instead of the usual suspects, try blending tangy passion fruit with velvety banana for a brightly flavored base. Or, swap in papaya, guava, or dragon fruit for tropical undertones and a color boost that makes your smoothie visually irresistible. Adding a slice of ripe avocado can make your blend lusciously creamy without overpowering the other flavors. It also adds a hit of healthy fats and essential nutrients. Vegetables can do more for your smoothie than just add nutrition. They can provide subtle flavors and unique textures. A handful of fresh cucumber gives a hydrating, crisp edge, especially when paired with mint and lime. Roasted or steamed sweet potato brings warm sweetness and a pillow-soft consistency, especially when combined with cinnamon and a splash of vanilla extract. Another game changer? Adding nuts, seeds, and superfood powders to both amp up nutrition and introduce invigorating flavors. Flaxseed and chia seeds offer nutty undertones and boost fiber. Almond or cashew butter brings a creamy indulgence, smoothing out the sharpness of citrus or the tartness of berries. Superfoods like matcha powder infuse your smoothie with a grassy, energizing kick. Try combining matcha with frozen mango and coconut milk for a refreshing blend. Now, let's bring these elements together in a standout smoothie recipe that showcases invigorating flavors and creamy textures. Imagine starting with a base of ripe mango and sliced banana, adding a splash of coconut milk for richness. You toss in a generous handful of fresh mint, zest of half a lime, and a small knob of peeled ginger. For a nutritional boost, blend in a tablespoon of chia seeds. As the blender whirls, these ingredients come together in a vibrant, creamy, and fragrant drink. The sweetness of the mango, the coolness of the mint, the spiciness of ginger, and the tang of lime zest creating an invigorating dance on your palate. The first sip awakens your senses. It's creamy thanks to the banana and coconut milk, refreshingly cool from the mint, with a lively, almost tingly finish from the ginger and lime. The seeds add a subtle texture and make your smoothie satisfyingly filling. Garnish with a sprig of mint or a scatter of lime zest, and you have a drink that feels like both a treat and a tonic for your day. Recapping the key invigorating flavors and ingredients, remember, fresh herbs like mint and basil open up new taste dimensions. Warming spices like ginger and turmeric provide a zingy, healthful backbone. Unconventional fruits such as papaya, passion fruit, or dragon fruit bring tangy excitement. And nutrient-rich add-ins like avocado, chia seeds, and matcha create depth and creaminess. By simply choosing one new ingredient each week, you can keep your smoothies fresh, interesting, and energizing, transforming what was once a basic routine into a revitalizing, flavor-filled adventure. Every smoothie offers an opportunity to explore, to nourish, and to start your day with something that's as good for your spirit as it is for your body. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. The next invigorating flavor might just become your new favorite. So next time you reach for that blender, ask yourself, what can I do today to turn this creamy smoothie into a truly revitalizing experience? Let curiosity, color, and boldness guide your choices, and see just how far your daily routine can be transformed.